Mouta Massi, bringing you the latest happenings in dancehall and reggae music. Welcome, it's Mouta Massi, and here are the stories making the cut for today.
Like, you know, Sean Paul, he's legendary, and that song alone, like his give me the light is so iconic that I was so nervous to sample it, because I'm like, this isn't gonna get cleared, so what's the point? Like, you know. But thankfully we got it cleared. Yeah. Shouts to Sean Paul, he's so real.
This TikToker, who goes by the name of Get a Snob, is saying that Sean Paul set up Ice Spice. Yes, Ice Spice. Check out why.
Y'all know what's the greatest setup of all time? Sean Paul signing off on Give Me a Light, because Ice Spice is out of here. Okay, we haven't heard from her in 3 weeks. And even though I like some of the Ice Spice songs,
I like some of the Gaga songs.
Okay, I thought that she was cool, but she really was wilding out whenever she sampled Give Me the Light. And I think that it was all a plan devised by Sean Paul the entire time. I think he wanted to get her out of here, and he succeeded. So, you know, it was nice knowing Ice. Hopefully she can bounce back.
This serious. Have you guys listened that track? Like, personally, me not feel it. I'm like, girl, why you take with song on the tweet? Why you take with song on the tweet, I Spice? Like, seriously? But anyways, I just saw me feel. Oh, uno feel. Today, June 10, marks the starting of Vybz Kartel's hearing to determine whether or not he will go on a retrial or be released. That's him and his co-accused. Here's the defense attorney giving us a summary about what happened today.
Alessandra LaBeach, attorney, appearing with Isaac Buchanan for Adidja Palmer and Sean Campbell. Today, we primarily dealt with preliminary issues as it relates to fresh evidence and the admissibility of some of the affidavits. Tomorrow we begin the substantive hearing on the matter.
Some of the information in some of the affidavits were struck out. Are you satisfied that information that has been struck out is not in any way putting the appeal of the matter in jeopardy?
Yes, we are satisfied, and if it is that while we're making the submissions, we should take issue with any of those, I'm certain that we will raise them at the appropriate time.
Were you in contact with Mr. Palmer before the hearing started this morning?
Today?
Yes.
No, we did not have an opportunity to visit the lockups today, as court began at 9:30 and usual admittance to the correctional facilities will begin at 10 a.m.
What is general state of mind as this hearing begins?
Prior to today?
Yes.
Last we spoke, all of the appellants are eager to have their matter dealt with so that the issue of their freedom can finally be determined. They're eager to return to society and to their families. So we are endeavoring to ensure that that is attainable.
As attorney, are you hopeful that this case will be successful?
Very hopeful. We have put in a lot of work and a lot of time in preparing for the matter, and we are endeavoring to put our best foot forward in representing the men and vindicating them.
The Court of Appeal has struck out arguments from Vybz Kartel's family claiming the popular entertainer cannot stand a retrial on health grounds. Kartel's attorney submitted an affidavit from the entertainer's son, Lil Vybz, saying Kartel is sick. Lil Vybz, whose given name is Adidja Palmer, tried to make the case in the affidavit that his father's incarceration has had a negative effect on the family. The younger Palmer said his grandmother, Kartel's mother, Teresa Wilson Palmer, prays every night for her son. But Justice McDonald Bishop struck out the argument, saying the younger Palmer couldn't have been there every night to witness the prayers. She ruled the argument amounted to hearsay. Justice McDonald Bishop also struck out the claim that Kartel's heart could not sustain a retrial. The presiding judge reasoned Adidja Palmer isn't in a position to definitively speak to that claim. Also, attorneys representing Sean Storm Campbell are attempting to argue their client will be unable to get a fair retrial. In an affidavit, the attorneys pointed objected to coverage from video blogger Sir P of the Popular Politics Watch YouTube channel. The attorneys have tendered an affidavit on Campbell's behalf, which points to coverage of video blogger Sir P of the Popular Politics Watch YouTube channel. The affidavit makes the argument that bloggers with no journalistic training have colored public perception of the matter. The matter came up in the retrial hearing in the Court of Appeal this morning. Campbell's sister affidavit says Jamaica's jury system cannot possibly empanel an impartial jury. His family says they also don't have the money to facilitate another trial in what's described as an unjust system. Acting Director of Public Prosecutions, Claudette Thompson, says those are arrangements and pleadings and should not be allowed in the affidavits. However, the court did not accept acting DPP's objections. Justice MacDonald Bishop allowed the argument to stand in the affidavits as they are. The judges say they reserve the right to revisit any preliminary ruling on the DPP's objections. Well, there you have it, Massive. Just a quick update. Now, what really stood out to me was that Little Vybz was saying, listen, thinking Father Heart can go through a next retrial. And the fact that they're saying that they're not confident in the justice system because every Jamaican is tainted by bloggers, Sir P, so then can't go deliver a fair trial. Those two things stood out to me. What stood out to you guys? Let me know in the comment section below. And what outcome are you expecting from this hearing? Retrial or release? Let me know in the comment section below.
Find a gal in a Euro League. What is Euro League? Let's find out. Tier 1, this are the money, man. Them money come like a Michael Jackson video, which means say done no time soon. Them money have access to every kind of gal. Good gal, bad gal, mad gal, your gal, my gal. Them money, remember if you don't speak money, you speak poverty, and poverty come like Chinese. Every time you hear it, it'll sound like fuckery. So them money can any kind of gal. Also in a tier 1, you have the man that were famous. If you have fame or a name, you don't need money. Moving on. Tier 2, them have them thugs them now with the image. They say dog them can dress good. Them not have nothing but them picture bad. House dirty your but the picture clean. Them man can the same girl as the tier 1 thugs them. But they can go them one time. Cause once the girl finds nothing, girl not get no more pussy. As me so one. Also in a tier 2, you have the thugs them with hilarious. You don't can run joke as some of the most dangerous man. Them man they fuck off. What your girl you know. 2 LMA more your girl weak in her knees, bro. And next thing you know, she drop on them. Such is life. Tier 3 now, this are the most dangerous tier. Tier 1 and 2, the better girl them. Tier 3, every kind of girl. Ugly girl, big girl, cranny girl. Everything. Nothing no partial in tier 3. Tier 3 are the uniform thugs them. The dirty soldier them. The dirty police them. It all want them in a khaki. As long as they in a uniform, girl say I read so many lives and they just fling pussy on you. Also in a tier 3, you have 119 and 311. They may thugs them who broke a law. It dog them who bang a line and kill people and rob a local old man. Girl to get wet for things like them there. Workless man. Man they can just now have nothing alive but they can roll a body's blood clot spliff. Them man that we fuck a girl. Young artist, as long as the song I play somewhere. We don't care if a YouTube or MP3 I play a song. As long as I play somewhere, you can fuck a girl. And them man usually fuck a girl them with like under 10k followers. The girl that will work a call center, the nurse girl. Yeah man, them kind of girl. Now, tier 4, this are the regular patron. It talks them still a take taxi while learn trade. Clock in a 9 to 5. Make an honest living. Who don't can any girl on the list, you know. But that after tier 1 to 3, run through them girl, beat out them belly, breed them up and left them. Then now them come run, come find a nice young man and they don't accept them. You know. If you don't accept them, find something else, do go bang a line or something and move up a tier, bro.
So that's it for today, Massive Montana. Big up on a nice clean self. Enough love, enough respect. Blessings upon blessings upon blessings. Positive vibrations going out to the Massive. I'm Mouta Massi. Magan.
Mouta Massi. Mouta Massi. Covering the latest in Jamaican music and culture. Like, share, comment and subscribe now.